This glow-in-the-dark PLA filament contains phosphorescent materials that glow in the dark after absorbing light energy. The glowing effect will be stronger under sunlight or UV light source after 30 minutes. Enjoy different printing fun with the Yousu 3D glow-in-dark PLA filament. The 3D printer filament has no warping, no jamming, no blobs, and no layered delamination issues. It's a problem-free glow PLA filament which has great bed adhesion and very consistent color. The advanced diameter measurement process in manufacturing ensures that the filament is 1.75 millimeter diameter. This is a 250 by 4 sample pack that feeds smoothly and consistently without clogging the nozzle or extruder. The color includes glow-in-the-dark green, blue, red, and rainbow. The Yousu PLA filament was dried and then vacuum packed in a zip bag, which keeps your 3D printing filament in great condition before printing. This glow-in-the-dark PLA filament can make prints that has a luminous effect at night, ideal for printing glow sticks, figurines, party decorations, Halloween decorations, Christmas ornaments, or gifts for kids.